Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to upload story on Instagram from your personal computer. To do so, first of all, open any browser on your device and then on the searching bar, search for Instagram and make sure that you have logged into your Instagram. Then on the Instagram page, you'll see an create option where there you will now see create a story option. To add this feature, first of all, click right on your screen and hit on the inspect. On the top, you will see this screen, hit on that. After hitting it, refresh the page and you will see a plus button on the top right corner. Hit on that and there you will see an option of story. Simply hit on that and add a story. So in this very easy step, you can easily add or upload story on Instagram from your computer. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.